how to make your voice deep in Audition. Very fast tutorial. So I'm gonna record test 1 2 3 1 2 3 hello hello. Now I have this audio here and I can go to effects, and here I have time and pitch. I have a lot of options here, as you can see. I mean, there's a lot of option in effects. You can find a lot of nice effects to use for your video. But the one I will use and you should use as well, is time pitcher. So we have here time and pitch, and here pitch shifter. Click on this one here, and now you have different presets: angry, dust, crash, dark. You can also do this manually, increase the sense, semitones, increase or decrease, or use the custom presets from here. You also have precision, low precision, medium precision, high precision, and then you can click on apply. Let's click on angry, this one here, and click on apply. Now actually let's play the video now.
Test 1 2 3 1 2 3.
So yeah, it works. And now I will actually add again this one here, but I will change to stretch maybe, and click on apply. And that's the result. Now this is not really what we want, so we're gonna have to adjust this. So instead of doing that, what I would do is actually click on again here, and I will actually go from here. So now it's not deep, but if you click on here, if you select this -5 or 8 or 10, now it's deep, as you can see, as you can hear. So also here default, and then just change this. And now, as you can see, here is the voice.
Test 1 2 3 1 2 3 hello.
So yeah, I hope you found this short tutorial helpful. Thanks for watching and take care.